Welcome to Husky Bros IT Services comprehensive guide to our computer repair services. Whether you're dealing with a sluggish PC, need system upgrades, or are looking for custom-built solutions, we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll walk you through various essential IT services we offer, ensuring your tech needs are met with expertise and reliability. From virus removal to data recovery, let's dive in and explore how we can help you optimize your computer's performance. Is your computer running slow or behaving strangely? It might be infected with a virus or malware. Our expert technicians at Husky Bros IT Service specialize in virus removal and malware removal to get your PC back to optimal performance. We provide fast and thorough virus removal, protection against future infections, affordable and reliable service. Imagine a world where your computer operates seamlessly, free from the clutches of malicious software. Our team ensures you're protected every step of the way. Comprehensive virus and malware removal. When a computer is infected with a virus or malware, it can affect your productivity and compromise your data security. At Husky Bros IT Service, we understand the urgency of these threats. Our comprehensive virus and malware removal services include thorough scans and cleaning. We use advanced tools to detect and remove malicious software. Future protection, post-removal, we install and recommend effective antivirus software to safeguard your system. Our affordable service. Quality service doesn't have to break the bank. We offer competitive pricing to bring your computer back to optimal performance efficiently. Operating system reinstallation and upgrades. Keeping your operating system up to date is crucial for security and performance. Whether you need to reinstall or upgrade your OS, our professional services ensure a smooth transition. Here's what we offer: complete OS reinstallation and upgrade. We handle everything from backup to installation. Support for all major operating systems. Whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, we have you covered. Data backup and recovery. We ensure your valuable data is safe during the process. By ensuring your operating system is current, we help you avoid potential vulnerabilities and benefit from the latest features. Hardware upgrades and replacements. Boost your computer's performance with our expert hardware upgrade and replacement services. We offer RAM, SSD, and GPU upgrades, enhanced speed, storage, and graphics. Expert installation and testing. Our technicians ensure everything works perfectly. Enhanced performance and speed. Experience faster load times and better overall performance. Upgrading your hardware is one of the most effective ways to breathe new life into your old computer, providing a significant boost in performance. Routine maintenance and troubleshooting. Regular maintenance can prevent many common computer issues. Our routine maintenance and troubleshooting services include regular system checks and updates. We keep your system running smoothly and securely. Troubleshooting for all brands. Our expertise covers a wide range of computer brands and models. Preventative care for long-term health. By addressing potential issues early, we help you avoid costly repairs down the line. Routine maintenance is essential for ensuring your computer remains in good working condition, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Data backup and recovery solutions. Data is invaluable, and losing it can be devastating. Our data backup and recovery solutions provide secure online and local backup setups. Protect your data with reliable backup solutions. Fast and efficient data recovery. If the worst happens, we can recover lost or corrupted data. Protection against data loss and corruption. We help safeguard your information against unexpected data loss. Peace of mind knowing your data is secure is priceless. Our solutions ensure your important files are always safe and retrievable. Custom PC builds for every need. Whether you're a gamer, a professional needing a powerful workstation, or someone with specific requirements, we offer custom PC builds tailored to your needs. Customized builds for gaming, work, and more. We design and build PCs to meet your exact specifications. High-quality components and assembly. We use only the best parts and ensure meticulous assembly. Performance optimized for your tasks. Get the best performance for your specific tasks. A custom-built PC offers unparalleled performance and reliability for your individual needs. Point of sale, POS, system repair, and installation. Businesses rely on POS systems for transactions. Our services ensure minimal downtime and efficient operation. Fast and efficient POS system repairs. We address issues quickly to minimize disruptions. Professional installation services. We set up your POS system for optimal performance. Support for various POS brands. Our expertise covers a wide range of POS systems. Reliable POS systems are essential for smooth business operations. We provide the support you need to keep things running seamlessly. Data recovery services. Lost important files? Our data recovery experts can retrieve lost or corrupted data, ensuring you don't lose valuable information. Advanced data recovery techniques. We use state-of-the-art methods to recover your data. Quick turnaround times. Time is critical, and we work fast to recover your files. Recovery from all storage types. Whether it's a hard drive, SSD, or other storage media, we've got you covered. Data loss can be a nightmare, but with our expertise, your data has a high chance of being recovered. Expert troubleshooting services. Technical issues can be frustrating and time-consuming. Our expert troubleshooting services diagnose and fix problems quickly. Comprehensive diagnostic services. We identify the root cause of issues. Fast and effective troubleshooting. We resolve problems efficiently to minimize downtime. Solutions for all brands and models. No matter your device, we can help. Our troubleshooting services get your computer back to normal, ensuring you can continue working with minimal interruptions. Professional IT consulting and support. Need expert advice? Our professional IT consulting and support services help you make informed decisions. Personalized IT consulting, tailored advice for your specific needs. Ongoing support and maintenance. We provide continuous support to keep your systems running smoothly. Expert advice and solutions. Our recommendations are based on years of industry experience. Trust our IT consulting services to guide you in making the best technology choices for your needs. By choosing Husky Bros IT Service, you're partnering with a reliable expert in the field. We provide the highest quality IT services to ensure your computers and systems run smoothly and efficiently. Contact us today for all your PC repair, data recovery, and upgrade needs. That's it for now. If you didn't see something you need, please reach out to us for more information. You can send us an email at contact-us@huskybrosIT.com. Or you can visit our website at www.huskybrosIT.com. Or give us a call at 719-357-5368.